In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PowerPoint to Google Slides in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and efficient, perfect for those who want to seamlessly transition their presentations from the traditional PowerPoint format into the versatile Google Slides environment. Let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you are comfortable with. In the search bar, simply type in Google Drive and hit Enter. The top result should be the official site link to Google Drive. Click on it, and it will take you to the Google Drive homepage. Next, you'll need to log in to your Google account if you haven't done so already. You'll see a prompt asking for your email or phone number associated with your Google account. Enter it, followed by your password. If you're already logged in, you'll see your Google Drive homepage filled with any previously stored files. Now, we're going to upload the PowerPoint file you wish to convert. Look for the New button, typically located on the left side of your screen, and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. This action will open a window where you can navigate to the location on your computer where your PowerPoint file is stored. You can also drag and drop the file directly from your computer into the Google Drive window if that's easier for you. After the file has been uploaded, locate your PowerPoint file in Google Drive. You can generally find it among recent uploads or via the search bar at the top. Once you've found it, double-click on the file. This will open it in a new tab directly in Google Slides, allowing you to view it just as you would in PowerPoint. With your file open in Google Slides, you'll want to convert it for editing purposes. Head over to the File menu in the menu bar. You'll find an option labeled Save as Google Slides. Click on it, and Google Drive will immediately create a new version of your presentation in Google Slides format. Rest assured, your original PowerPoint file remains intact and untouched in your Drive folder for future use. And there you have it. A brand new Google Slides presentation is now ready for you to edit and share with ease. This quick and easy conversion not only allows you to edit your presentation online, but also helps maintain the integrity and layout of your original design. Remember that Google Slides is a powerful tool within Google Workspace, providing numerous features for collaboration and accessibility anywhere you have internet access. This straightforward method saves you time and streamlines your workflow, making it easier for you to focus on crafting engaging and compelling presentations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other helpful tutorials to enhance your digital skills.